Hello, everyone. My name is Jason Young. I'm a professor here in the Geological Engineering program at UBC, and I'd like to introduce you to our program. Are you curious about the natural world around you? Or do you sometimes wonder about the impact engineering projects or development can have on the Earth? Or maybe the opposite. How does the Earth and the natural environment impact an engineering project? Well, geological engineering is an interdisciplinary discipline focused on solving engineering problems that require an understanding of the natural environment. The variability of the natural environment means that no two projects are alike, and that geological engineers need to use their knowledge of geology and natural processes to manage the associated uncertainty that comes with the variability and produce designs that are responsive to our societal needs. So what options are available within geological engineering? The geological engineering program offers flexibility through its wide range of electives, allowing students to tailor their degree to suit their interests on top of their core course requirements. Areas where students can take specialized electives are in geotechnical, which focuses on the engineering behavior of rocks, soil, and other earth materials, and how we can design and build with, on top, or underneath these materials. There's environmental electives, which focus on minimizing the impacts that engineering projects can have on the natural environment. There's a natural hazards interest, which focus on managing the risks associated with geologic hazards, such as landslides. And there's a critical minerals interest, which focuses on resource and energy development and how we can supply the natural materials needed to meet demand as we navigate through climate change and the renewable energy transition. With that said, students in the geological engineering program are not required to specialize in one specific area. In fact, many students choose to take a variety of these electives. So what can you do in your degree? The geological engineering program at UBC is over 100 years old and is the largest program of its kind in Canada. It is uniquely housed in the Department of Earth, Ocean, and Atmospheric Sciences, a world-class earth science department home to a faculty of experts in their respective field of study. This gives students access to state-of-the-art classroom and field-based learning facilities, including a new field camp facility in the Okanagan Valley. Our department also devotes a lot of resources to train our instructors with the most effective active learning and teaching techniques, which help make our lectures, labs, and field trips interactive and fun. Vancouver is also an international hub of the geotechnical, environmental, geohazards, and resource development industries. The breadth of study in both engineering and earth sciences can lead to a dual registration as both a professional engineer and professional geoscientist. Our strong connections with local industry, including through many past graduates and alumni of the program, create many opportunities for students to interact with knowledgeable professionals. This connection provides consistently high co-op placement rates and a high demand for graduates in well-paying careers. Some examples of topics that you may learn through the program are the origin and engineering characteristics of rocks and soil, geohazards, natural hazards and landslides, the flow of water on land, surface, and underground, contamination of water resources, landforms and surface processes, site investigation, including advanced field techniques, computer modeling for engineering design, managing geologic uncertainty, and last but not least, professional communication and how to communicate with technical and non-technical audiences. So what can you expect from your student experience? All geological engineering students belong to the Geological Engineering Student Club called GeoRocks, which is known to have a significant role in your undergraduate experience. GeoRocks teams have been known to lead in engineering events across all engineering disciplines, with high participation rates and with an enthusiastic and welcoming culture. GeoRocks also coordinates several annual events that bring together students and industry professionals, including the annual Alumni and Industry Dinner, a formal dinner with keynote speeches by past graduates of the program. The Geotechnical Engineering Competition, that's a friendly design competition between student groups of all year levels. Each year we have a distinguished lecture, evening talk by a world-renowned expert on a topic chosen by the students, and field trips to different geological engineering projects and areas of interest across BC. So what is the industry demand for geological engineering? Demand for geological engineers have been consistently strong, especially in BC. That's partly because geological engineering is a versatile degree that is valued in a variety of sectors, including residential and commercial development, tunneling and underground engineering, transportation, and energy and mining. Many successful small and large companies that employ geological engineers operate out of Vancouver and actively recruit from new graduates from our program, with our annual graduating class being relatively small. So what career options can you pursue from your degree? Geological engineers can be employed as field engineers and investigators, construction supervisors and construction managers, design modelers, programmers and computer analysts, project managers, subject area experts, company CEOs and other leadership positions and organizations, educators, and sometimes all of these at once. A cool feature about a career in geological engineering is that it also provides many opportunities to travel the world for work, if that is something that interests you. So in summary, the UBC Geological Engineering program is designed to equip students with a broad set of skills that are needed wherever engineering projects interact with the natural environment. So join us, make a difference. If you want more information about the program, please check out our website to see if this program might be right for you. We hope to see you soon.